Good morning, class 8. We are in chapter reproduction, in which we talk about numerous of important topic related to this chapter. I am going to just recall all the important terms, all the important topics. First, what is reproduction? Types of reproduction, sexual, asexual. Variety of ways in which animal reproduce. Sexual reproduction, gametes, sperm, egg cell, zygote, fertilization, internal fertilization, external fertilization, reproduction in humans, puberty, the male reproductive system, female reproductive system. Okay, today I am going to teach you about fertilization. Let us see what is fertilization. After the sperm are deposited into vagina by penis, the sperm swim into the uterus and up the oviduct. In an ovum is present in oviduct. One of the sperm may be fused with the ovum and fertilization take place. During fertilization, the nuclei of sperm and the ovum fuses together to form a single nucleus, and this single nucleus is the base of new offspring. This results in a formation of the fertilized egg or zygote, and the formation of the zygote marks the beginning of the new individual. And if the ovum is not fertilized by a sperm, it is expelled from the uterus along the some urine, muscle and blood, and this is known as menstruation. The number of eggs produced at a time is different in different mammals. Humans, elephant, cows usually produce one egg at a time. That's why it always reproduce one child at a time. Okay, but in cat, dog, rabbits produce more than one egg at a time. Hence, more babies are born to them at the same time. Okay, you can also see in some human twins are there. It means that some women reproduce two child at a time. It means that in their body two eggs are produced at a time, and when sperm fuses with it, fuses together to form not a single nucleus, two nucleus, and these two nucleus form two individuals, two new individuals, and which will born called twins. Okay, it means that it is only depend upon how many number of egg produce at a time. Usually in humans, elephants, cows, only one egg produce at a time, but in cats, dog, rabbits, goat produces more than one egg at time. That's why more babies are born to them at the same time. Okay, the zygote results from the fusion of the sperm cell from the father and the egg cell from the mother. Whatever the zygote result from fusion of the sperm cell that come from father and the egg cell come from mother, and hence the chromosomes and the genes are both of the mother and father. Thus the new individual inherit characteristics for both mother and father. Here, whatever the characteristics transfer from parents, means father and mother, which inherited in a new individual. Here the characteristics is height of new individual, complex of new individuals, color of eyes, color of hair. Okay, free lobe, attached lobe. Okay, so this is free lobe, and in some human beings this part is attached to there, and these all things are known as characteristics which come from parents. Okay, through chromosomes and genes. the shape of nose, free lobe, attached lobe, color of hair, color of eyes, okay, height, complex, the color of skin, these all things which is known as complex, these all things come from your parents. Okay, now let us talk about development of embryo. After fertilization, the zygote travels down the oviduct and divides over and over again to form a ball of cell, and this is known as cell division. This is known as cell division, and the cell then begin to form different groups that finally develop into different tissue and organs of the body. And this developing structure for the first 8 weeks, which is called the embryo, and it get embedded into wall of uterus where further development occur. It mean that zygote is formed after fertilizing sperm and egg. Okay, when a sperm fuses with egg to form new single nucleus. After fertilization, this zygote form, and then after it develop into embryo, and this embryo is get embedded in the wall of uterus after first 8 weeks in uterus, where the further development are occur. During the development, the different group of cell changes their size and shape, and they turn into particular types of cells forming the specific function, such as muscle cells, nerve cell, blood cell, and this is known as cell differentiation or cell maturation. And this is form these differentiated cell, and that the different tissue that organ develop. Okay, and if you have textbook, then please refer figure 9.5 to understand how the division of cell, means cell division, help out to convert zygote into embryo, embryo converted into organ. Okay, and gradually the different baby parts such as head, hand, legs, etc. develop within uterus, and the stage at which all the body part of the embryo could be recognized is known as foetus. Okay, a stage will come when each and every part, each and every organ can be recognized, could be recognized, which stage is known as the foetus. Okay, in human the stage is reached after about 8 weeks of fertilization. Means after 8 weeks of fertilization, we recognize whether the child is girl or boy, but to detecting these things is illegal in our country because the sex ratio is differ in our country. Okay, when you go in higher classes, then you study about it, sex ratio. Okay, and also in SST and also in science, mainly in SST. When all bodies part assume the right size and form a development incomplete, and the individual is born, and a new single cell ultimately given rise to trillions of cells in the body of the individual, and a baby that born have trillions of cell into it. You can't imagine the number of cell within your body. Okay, and the development of new cell is depend upon your growth.